Welcome to Spyder Auto's projector headlight installation guide for the F-150 and SVT Raptor. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, and a Phillips screwdriver. Start by opening the hood. Remove the Phillips retainer securing the weather strip. Peel back the weather strip for access. Remove 3 10mm bolts securing the headlight. Unseat the headlight. Disconnect the headlight harness and remove the turn signal and side marker sockets. Locate the Spyder headlight. Your beam adjusters are shown here and are 8mm. For information on wiring the halos and more, see the Spyder FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Reconnect the headlight harness and reinstall the turn signal and side marker sockets. Seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the 3 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Replace the weather strip. Reinstall the Phillips retainer to secure the weather strip. Just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your F-150 with a set of modern projector headlights from Spyder Auto.